Ingkamo laibuma tini borom ganang bike rangkol sarni laibumani omo bosui kalangka tini next generation nong ni bagai ha tai dofana hamja kakai cengguti ke coba klaina ni nang omo bokok bai sayawoi bosui kalangkangka mo tinanggo sini kaisa lama ungui wana sini coba ni yoknani omo kaisa lama ungui tongane aboni bagai no tini salo ang bleke no tongthogo tamni bagai hingkai o laibuma puri oi chini tabungni je generation ro next to chini hadofan bagai soba khlainani bagai boro bleke khatungnai ebong boro lama naitugui mannai kaham lama naitugui mannai angkha khlaio omotui boitebo chini sikirino sina nungkon bini kaisa silai bai sobani ok bo laibuma boro tongo democratic movement ro boro bini o boyo tongo sutarang chini both side no chini obhigota ni kok bini o boyo sijaka ebong mokhop kaham ebong oro boyni je mungri mani omo bo bleke kaham kai rikai ni ang khaklayo next generation ni bagai mo boy blai che kaham ka ebong ang jotono no koinai o boy no paye jotono no porina ni bagai mo nogo khati to ni jangnai mo kaisa chini tipra hasteni kaisa laibuma ni kothoma ung tongane ebong o kothoma no sing khatui manna ringnai sing mono সংরক্ষণ makanita hambai abo boy paina ingga kai sing chini borom ganang dikerang kolnaro na mathanai ega ang tini kangni peka next ang tai kisa paina nan oi sa tongko ega kai tabu mono preserve paina buino ba kisa ang rinai mono give rinai ani northeast ne kabang ba bondu rokongo borono ba ang mono rinai ha khlayo je boy puspolo kala ga haima tongo tini je ba kai boy usubai pelika hoyto kulok se manglak abato sar saka 5000 boy abato tabuk khaljang nai nita ইংরাজি bai sijaka hoyto kebo jara buje ekebor kok borok ba ko khainai mano omtei ke khaiye sini ka bangla bibo cancel khainai mananta ang lukurongno kasanai omo kaisa tipra hastani laibuma omo silai bai sobani democratic movement ni sobani kaisa mo laibuma othoma omono jeng porinani nango norok jotono poridi jara university porinai jara college porinai tabu school pori tongnai ba jara tabuk chini siklarok tabuk jara cheng political by geringjak borok jotono no oboino porin nango nei ang khaklayo borok jotono porinai ebong buskango chini ha dofani chobano khlainani bagai oron hoite boro lama naitugui mannai nei ang khaklayo.
Everyone, I'm very happy to be here today to release this book by Shri Bijay Kumar Rankhor. It's his autobiography, and the name of the book is A Never-Ending Journey. This is the first part. There will be another part to it. I'm really honored and happy that we have amongst us a person who has fought for Tripura, for preserving the identity of our people, to fight for the land rights of our people, right from the early days. And then, of course, he became a part of the electoral system once he joined politics. And he's now associated with Tipra Motha as well as a president. So this book is going to be very interesting for all of us because it will talk about his life, what he did, and it will also inspire us to know about the problems we had in Tripura in the past. History teaches us to learn from our mistakes. And, today we are better off because of people like Shri Rankhor and some other freedom fighters. I would call them freedom fighters because they gave up the pleasures of their life. When they were young, they gave up all that luxurious life, a comfortable life, to be in the forest, to fight for our people's rights. And so I'm sure all of us are going to benefit greatly from this book. And I would advise you to have a look at this, especially youngsters today. We have a lot to learn from his life. And saying this, I wish Shri Rankhor ji all the very best. And I hope many more copies of this will be sold. I hear 5,000 copies have been brought out. And if anybody requires more, I'm sure he'll be able to tell you where to get them. So kindly purchase these and have a glimpse of the life that we had when Vijay Kumar Rankhol ji was young. Thank you very much. खुलुमखा। हमारा मैसेज ये है कि जब तक किसी का लाइफ में कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता है हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं। तो श्री विजय कुमार रांखल जी का भी एक ऑब्जेक्टिव था लाइफ में कि वो हमारे लोगों को सर्व करे, हमारे लोग के लिए जो मुश्किलें थी उस जमाने में, उस समय में इन्फ्लक्स और रेफ्यूजी प्रॉब्लम और बहुत सारे ऐसे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते थे, तो उन्होंने जो भी कुछ किया उस समय उनके लिए जो सही था उन्होंने वो किया। तो अभी के ज़माने में एजुकेशन एंड इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस, ट्राइंग टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन योर ओन, ये सब भी तरीका है फॉर अस टू बी ऑन आवर फीट एंड टू हेल्प डेवलप त्रिपुरा। So he also tried to develop Tripura by preserving our culture and our people and our land. So the main thing is, the motto is कि हमारे लाइफ में एक ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए, तभी जाके हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। And this book will also teach us that very same fact. Thank you.